Welcome to Coding Classic. In this video, we will learn how to create forgot password input as the one on the screen. Before we begin, if you are new here, kindly subscribe or follow for more interesting video. Let's begin. Firstly, create your necessary files, which is HTML and CSS file, and also link CSS to HTML. Let's start coding HTML. Starting from a div container with class name main container. Form container. Next is header or logo container class. The header will be forgot password. Next is form container. Next div is form group. Then label for the email input. Then the email input. Add ID, name, and placeholder to the input. Make sure to make it required. Next is to add button. Then next is to add sign up link, and we are done with HTML. We are done with HTML. Let's preview our code. Here is the preview of our code. Let's start styling our HTML. Starting from the body. Just to change the background color of the body. Next is main container class. Here is the preview. Next class to style is the form container. Next is form container and logo container. Here is the preview so far. Next is form container and form. Next is form container and form group. Next is the input label. Next is the input. The input placeholder. The input focus. Next is the submit button. Here is the preview. The button hover. Styling the container link. Finally, adding sign up link hover to be underlined, and we are done with the project. Here is the final preview of the project. Please don't forget to comment and share for more. Thank you.